Huh?
What is that anyway? It looks strange, like a magic wand from those fantasy movies. I wonder who left it here. And it's really big. Oh well, I found it on the ground, so I'll just put it in my pocket for now.
Oh no!
Sigh, why am I so careless? I need to go home quickly. Suddenly, I crave peaches. Huh? Or maybe I should try this magic wand to turn into a peach tree. Abracadabra, turn into a peach tree.
Huh?
Oh my god, it really turned into a peach tree. Or am I hallucinating? Sigh, this is too dangerous. It must be a hallucination caused by exhaustion. I should go home and rest. La la la. Oh my god, what is this? Did I see it wrong? No, I can't be mistaken. Zoe, come and see this.
What? Yahoo!
Yes!
Huh?
Бля, давай!
Why is there a huge candy tree here? It's so strange. Who could have grown it? It's amazing. Eating it must be delicious. I need to go home and call everyone to come and eat together.
What is this? Why do I keep encountering strange, unbelievable things today? Why are there children in Rumi's room? Why does the little kid look exactly like Rumi? Is she Rumi's younger sister? No, Rumi doesn't have a sister. Could she be Rumi's child? Huh? Oh, you're here now? Look quickly. There's a child on Rumi's bed who looks just like you.
Huh?
Бля, давай!
What?
Oh my.
Oh my god! Oh no!
Hey, what are you two doing that you made such a fuss and chaos in my room this morning? Is there something new? Tell me so I can catch up. This adorable girl. Who are you? And why are you in Rumi's room? Huh? Zoe, what are you talking about? I'm Rumi. Are you really Rumi? Oh my god, let me show you this. Quickly, go look in the mirror. Why is there a cute baby here? Wait, that's me when I was little. Oh my god, what is happening? Hey, you two have to believe me. This definitely happened because of the magic wand I found yesterday. I must have accidentally activated it.
Can you say something more reasonable? How could there be any magic in this world? You've watched too many movies.
Hey, wait. Yesterday, Mira and I also saw a strange tree, which was a candy tree. And it wasn't there before. I believe magic is real.
Yes!
Otherwise, why would Rumi be so tiny?
Zoe is right. I also believe you. Quickly take out that magic wand, and let's find a way together.
Okay. This is the magic wand I picked up yesterday. Maybe it caused me to shrink, and the tree turned into candy. But how could you activate it?
That's right. How do I do it?
All right, let me tell you both the details. All right, be good. Calm down. We understand.